Hello traders, in this video I will show you how to use iqoption script with stochastic indicator. This strategy has a high winning rate whilst trading binary options. Hello traders, it's Samuel from traders.Follow. If you are new to this channel, click that subscribe button and all the links mentioned in this video you will find in the description box below. So in this video we will combine the stochastic oscillator with IQ script to increase our winning rate. Ideally, we will look for a strong trending market and a buy signal from the script, or vice versa for downtrend. If our trading conditions are true, we place a trade, or else we avoid it. So this strategy is profitable for 1 minute candlestick. So stick to the strategy. So we have placed our trade, guys. Watch this video till the end and I'll explain why I took this trade. Remember, we have a Telegram group where you will get this script. You will find the link in the description box below. So as I said earlier, this strategy is for 1 minute expiry time and 1 minute candlestick chart. So if you follow all the rules, you are going to be profitable. So guys, our trade is almost finishing. So this strategy is profitable if you stick to the rules. So guys, we have won our trade. So the reason is because we followed our trading rules I explained earlier. So guys, subscribe to my channel and I will create more profitable strategies for you. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.